Hey everyone, this is Dr. Steve Sullivan, host of Anatomy and Physiology Bit by Bit, and boy do I have a very exciting announcement about the future of this podcast that I think you're going to love. First, thank you for your patience over the last couple of months while I planned the future of this show. A few times in the past, you may have heard me mention that once I got through the normal content for Anatomy and Physiology, I was hoping to transition into the clinical application of A&P. Well, that is exactly what's happening. There is no better way to know that you've mastered A&P than being able to apply it to clinical situations. Over the last couple of months, I've been researching and preparing episodes that discuss specific diseases, conditions, and injuries. Each episode will tackle one condition, or class of conditions, covering some of the background A&P, the mechanism of disease. I'll talk about causes, risk factors, signs and symptoms, exam findings, lab findings, imaging findings, diagnosis and prognosis. And I'll also talk about the kind of healthcare practitioners that treat these conditions, and hopefully I'll have some of them on the show. So now that we've covered all the basic content of A&P in my first 80 or so episodes, I think this is the perfect direction for this show to go, whether you're a future healthcare provider, a current healthcare provider, or simply a human who wants to know more about what ails us. And here's the fun part. While the next 10 or so episodes are already planned, as I focus on the most common causes of mortality in the world, I am open to suggestions from you. You are the listeners, you're the reason I do this. If there is something you want to know more about, or if there's an A&P topic that you wish I covered but didn't, please email me at minus55media@gmail.com, and I will consider making an episode on it. I hope you join me on the next leg of this journey, which starts right where you would expect it to, with the number one cause of death in the world, coronary artery disease, also known as Ischemic Heart Disease. That episode will drop on Monday, February 23rd, so while you're waiting, maybe brush up on your cardiovascular A&P with episodes 39 to 48. I know that's a lot, but it's a pretty big organ system. Thanks again for listening. I'll talk to you soon.